Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare Saily and Airalo. Which among the two is the better eSIM? If you want to know the answer, just keep on watching the video. Traveling soon and need an eSIM? You're probably stuck between Saily and Airalo. But which one's actually better? Let's break it down. Both offer affordable data packs. Airalo often has cheaper regional and country-specific plans, great for budget travelers. Saily, on the other hand, leans toward unlimited data options, but it's usually more expensive. If you're a light user, Airalo wins, but if you stream and zoom, Saily's Unlimited may be worth the price. Airalo covers 200 countries with local providers, and Saily also covers major destinations but fewer options in less traveled areas. So the winner here is Airalo for flexibility and local options. Both apps are clean and easy to use, but Saily's setup is smoother for beginners. Install, activate, and done. Airalo sometimes requires manual APN setup. Saily wins for simplicity, but tech-savvy users won't mind Airalo. Support is where things shift. Airalo has 24/7 chat, but responses can be slow. Saily is newer, with decent reviews, but support can be hit or miss. Neither is actually perfect. Just don't expect instant human help. So, what's the final verdict? Use Airalo if you want cheap, flexible data in specific countries, and use Saily if you need unlimited data and don't want to mess with setup. Travel smart, stay connected, and pick the eSIM that fits your style. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!